wish my boss, President William Ruto, safe travel to the UN. Please represent us well, like you have always done, and let our country shine in the international fora. I want to assure the people of Kenya that despite difficult moments in this country, there is hope. Kenyans are very prayerful people, and I know that people are very patient. They endure a lot, and there's a lot of resilience. Looking ahead, I see a bright future. Difficult as things are, I think there will be a good future for this country. I want to ask the people of Kenya to pray for me so that I get strength, I get courage to soldier on despite the challenges, despite all that is going on around us. These are challenges that have been seen by other people there before, and I'm sure I will overcome them. We believe in the power of prayer. I want to assure the Church of Christ that I support their programs. We had an MOU with them. I believe in the freedom of worship. I believe that we should let the church regulate itself so that they can be able to carry on with the good work that they are doing without too much interference. Otherwise, I want to thank the people of Kenya for listening to me. I want to thank you, Sam, for coming over. And I look forward. And also be looking for me. I'm the one who look for you. I had some people asking, why doesn't Gachagua do national television? But you guys don't look for me. The people who do, the people who do the vernacular stations are always looking for me, and I'm always available, Sam.
We have been looking for you for a
No, but you are saying I'm the one who look for you. Please look for me.
This time around, yes.
Please look for me. I am available. And many people, were doubting my capacity to express myself in the English language. You remember to the run-up of the election, many people, had very low opinion on my level of education and power of expression, until I went to the running mate debate, and then they knew that I know something. So please be looking for me.
Sure.
I have a few things that I know, and I can express myself.
You know, someone saying that Kimani Ichung'wah smoked you out.
He didn't.
He didn't.
He didn't. There's things that I needed to discuss. I don't respond to those politicians. I will never dignify their insults by responding to them.
It's not just those politicians, it's the leader of majority.
I'll never dignify their insults. I am a self-made man. I do things at my own pace. I had issues that I wanted to address.
Okay.
Especially I wanted to address the issues of my office, because people are trying to create an impression that I just politic. I have a lot of work that I do. I have a lot of work that I have done for this country. I'm a very patriotic Kenyan. And those who try to put for me a tribal tag, they'll be sorry. The other day I went to Nyanza. I got a hero's welcome. People thought that I'm only popular in the mountain. And I really want to thank the people of Nyanza for the love and compassion they showed me. I was amazed and I was excited. I went to Kisii. I got a very good reception. I went to Masaini in Kajiado. I got a very good reception. I am not a tribal leader. I'm a national leader. And many Kenyans are happy with me because I'm truthful. And that's why you see where I go, I get very good reception. I'll be all over the country. I'll be traveling all over the country when doing my work, executing my mandate, the one that I've been given by the president. And when the president asks me to do a specific duty, I'll always be there. Even on my own, I'll also be traveling around the country, and I'll serve the people of Kenya equally.
Despite the fact that it is becoming quite expensive, both the county and national government spent up to 45 billion shillings in the previous financial year.
Well, you must go to the people, because it's about them. You owe them service. And you cannot serve them from Nairobi. You must go and talk to them. You must go and listen to them. You must go and explain to them what is it that you are doing.
Deputy President, thank you so much for engaging us to talk about the state of affairs and what is happening within the politics of the country, of the mountain, but also within the administration they also sit in. This has been a conversation with the Deputy President, His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua. Up next is News Time on Friday night. My name is Sam Gituku. Good night from here.